Hey guys, in this video I want to show you another bomb ass wig that is one of my favorites right now because it's so beautiful, and it's the Chinalacewig lace front body wave wig, and this is a 360 lace wig pre-plucked. Okay, you can see the hairline is amazing. It looks so natural, and I got it in a cap size large, which sits perfectly on my big head. You know I got a lot of hair, and it also comes with 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. So now I'm just going to install the lace frontal wig on my head, nothing special, and I use a little bit of got2b glued gel on my edges to secure the wig. But I want to say that, you know, I don't wear a lot of lace frontal wigs. I do wear them occasionally for a special occasion, of course. And if I do wear them, I only wear them for 2 days, not more than that. Okay, first of all, installing the wig takes a lot of time. Like, as you can see, I'm blow drying my hair, and that takes about 20 minutes or so until the glue gets a little tacky. Okay, so it takes a lot of time, and I don't like to do that. So only for special occasions I like to wear beautiful high quality units like these ones. And a lot of people tell me like, oh girl, you have a lot of hair, you don't need a wig. But I do need a wig sometimes. Okay, I like to protect my natural hair every once in a while underneath a wig and just leave my hair alone, and in the meantime I can wear like beautiful units. And you know, I really like this unit. Why? Because first of all, it is extremely thick. Like, this is 200% density, and I had bad experiences with straight and body wave wigs in the past that they were very thin. So I was shook when I put this wig on, because I was like, whoa, this hair is kind of feeling heavy. This is strange. I never had that. So the hair is really thick, and it looks so natural. I didn't pluck any like, I didn't pluck any parts. This is just a wig straight out of the box. Like, girl, what? Wait a minute. Like, do you see this? I was feeling myself. I'm just saying. Anyways, this unit barely sheds. Like, I styled this hair, I flat ironed this hair, I curled this hair, and it holds a curl very well if you use hairspray, of course. But now I'm going to show you like 4 hairstyles that I like to do with this unit. Very simple hairstyles. You're gonna see, like, you don't even need explanations because those clips are very self-explanatory and very simple. But just to show you what I like to do with my wigs, because I don't always wear them down. Okay, so yeah. And if you have any questions about this hair, let me know in the comment section and I will answer your question ASAP. And the links and all the details about this hair is in the description box. So make sure you check the description box because everything is in there. So girl, enjoy the rest of the video.